We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support here above the 50-cent area. Had a big drop today, and we're going to talk about what happened. There was an interview that came up, and also we're going to break down the key levels we would watch going into tomorrow. But it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 11:25 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock trying to hold support above 50 cents. We're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our AMD bot. Our AMD bot sent out a bear indicator at 11:25 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness down 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the dip area yesterday at around the 56-cent area to the rip area at highs here of 61 cents and back down to the dip area here in the second half of the day. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator at around the 59-cent area and dropping down towards the 50-cent area and fighting here between the 51 and 52-cent area in the after hours, and inflows are above. Now, what was the volatility? Well, the CEO had an interview today, and it turns out that he was having audio issues. And right now, that made a lot of people have doubts and speculation that some answers are going unanswered, creating doubt, fear, and uncertainty, right? The FUD. And here it is reacting very quickly in the charts, and it seems like it wasn't just selling pressure, right? It could be also some shorts. That's the speculation going around right now. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if we zoom into the 15-minute in the volatility, we could see that those outflows have now crossed, guys, after they went ahead and crossed over back on Monday, August 28th. It has now crossed to the downside here, and it's below the midpoint at negative 0.06. And if the bulls want to reflect any strength into these charts, they need to start picking up these inflows and get back over the midpoint, because the longer these outflows stay below, the quicker it could actually start to reflect or roll over into the 30-minute, and a bear indicator popped up here at the 58-cent mark. Now, it did a full transition from the rip area to the dip area as well, as you see it there on 42 vision, and on the 1 hour, we have been watching it, and these outflows, even though they're green, they're negative at 0.14, and below the midpoint, it was under a bull indicator here at the 59-cent area, and that's where it rejected early on in the day, and it rejected not that far off of it at the 61-cent area, and then quickly rejected here at 59 cents as well on the next bar, and a bear indicator popped up here as well at the 57-cent area. So this is going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to pick back up on the 1 hour, try to stay above on the 30-minute, eventually cancel out this bear indicator by reflecting strength into these charts and getting the inflows back up on the 15-minute above the midpoint to start quickly reflecting that strength into the charts. You could see once those outflows crossed over, how fast things dropped, followed by that bear indicator from way up here at the 58-cent area down to 50 cents. Now, what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is 50 cents. Then below that is the 47-cent area. If these outflows start to begin and head towards the midpoint and this bear indicator continues to hold true, then I'll be watching the 45-cent area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical, like I stated, for these inflows to pick back up, reflect that strength, cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, and the first resistance is the 55-cent area. And then above that, I'll be watching the 59 to 62 cent area. Now, if that gets broken through, the next resistance based off the history of the chart is back up here at the 67-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, as well as the inflow versus outflows. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in, and now you're seeing this other chart which I shared today in the pre-market, and I stated, right, you could see the same line there, and I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449, and I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area, and the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed a cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over, and you could see the purple area that continued to act like support, and NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270. in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it can happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision, because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.